Today we will discuss how to increase height. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Asem Hansologist. I am Asem Hansologist and today we are diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how to increase your height. We will be covering exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle tips that can help you maximize your growth potential. So stay tuned. You can clearly see in this picture how the bones are growth and how growth plates and bone. So in this diagram you can see every developmental stages clearly. So this is the diagram of human growth plates and bones. Height is largely determined by genetics, but other factors like nutrition, exercise, and sleep can also play a significant role, especially during your growing years. Most people stop growing by the end of their teenage years, but there are ways to ensure you reach your full potential height. These are some nutrient or balanced diet which is essential for height increase. A balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, protein, and other essential nutrients is crucial for bone health and growth. Include foods like milk, cheese, eggs, leafy green, lean meat, and fish in your diet. Certain exercise can help you maintain good posture and potentially aid in growing taller. Stretching exercise like the hanging stretch, cobra stretch, and cat cow stretch can help elongate the spine. Sports engaging in sports like basketball, swimming, and cycling can also promote growth by improving your overall fitness and encouraging growth hormone production. Importance of sleep. Sleep is critical for growth as the body releases growth hormone during deep sleep stages. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a restful sleep environment. Maintaining good posture. Here two pictures are displayed which you can see the correct position, posture position, and incorrect posture position. So good posture can make a significant difference in how tall you appear. It can also prevent spinal issues that might stunt your growth. Practice standing and sitting up straight. Avoid slouching and incorporate exercise that strengthen your core. Thanks for watching. Remember, growing taller is about maintaining a healthy lifestyle and being patient with your body natural process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Asem Hansologist, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Drop any question you have in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.